Hello guys, welcome to MailsDaddy. In this video, we will talk about distribution list. How you can create, modify and delete using Admin Center and PowerShell command. It is helpful to send same message to multiple users at the same time. So first we will do it using Admin Center and then we move to PowerShell command. Let's log into the Office 365 using admin credentials. Now go to Microsoft Admin Center. Then click on show all. Go to Exchange Admin Center. Under the recipient, click on group. Then go to distribution list. As you can see, I don't have any group right now, so let's create one. Click on add a group. Now choose your distribution list group type, then click next. Type a name for distribution group, then next. Description is optional. Now click on add owners. Search a name and select it for the group. Click next. Then click on add a member. Now search a member and add to the group. You can also select multiple users at once. When select, click on add. Click on next. Here you need to define group email address. Also check the domain name as well if you have listed multiple. Next, choose filter option communication. If you want to allow outsider to send email to this group, then check, otherwise leave it. Next is joining group. Open option allow to anyone join this group without any approval. Close option allows only group owner to add members. Owner approval option allows anyone to send request for joining the group and owner must approve the request. Next filter is leave a group. With open option, anyone can leave the group without any owner approval, while close option never let anyone leave without approval. When you are done with the above option, then click on next. Now review the details and click on create a group. It is successfully created. Click on close. Let's check the list. Let's open it. This is general information of the group. Here is my list members. You can also add more members manually by clicking on view all and manage member options. To add a member, click on add member. Search the members and select it, then click on add. That's it. Now how to delete the group. To delete the group, if you no longer need a group, then select the group and click on three dot, then choose a delete option. Now delete the group. That's it. Your group is deleted successfully. Now how to create, modify and delete distribution list using PowerShell. If you are a code lover and want to do it using PowerShell command, then go to MailsDaddy website and open blog section. Here you will find an article on distribution list. The manual method also written here, so you can follow this post to do it using Admin Center. For PowerShell command, first open PowerShell as an administrator. Use first command to connect with Exchange Admin Center. Verify your account where you want to create distribution list. Now go back to the post. Next command is used after changing the following details. So copy the command and paste it on the notepad. First we will change the distribution list name. Then alias name. After that, distribution email address. At last, owner of the list name. Once you update the required details, then you can run this command. You can see my distribution list has been successfully created. Next command is to add admin. If you forget to add admin or want to add more admin, then you can run this command. Next we add the members. For single members you can run the below command. I am going to show how to add multiple members using a CSV file. For that you must create a CSV file with the email address column name. Ensure to type every username address correctly, then save it as a .csv file format. Now go back to the post and copy the next command and paste it on notepad. Change the distribution list name that you have just created. Then change the CSV file location. Now copy the command and run on PowerShell. I am getting an error. While let's check the command. The location has multiple commas. Let's remove one and then run it again. You can see my users are added to the distribution list. To check the member of the list, you can run the below command. Now copy the command and change the distribution list name. Then run it on the PowerShell. Here are all the members that I have added to the distribution list. Now let's check the same on the Exchange server. Go to Admin Center, then go to Exchange Admin Center, click on Exchange Admin Center. Under the recipient group, then click on distribution list. Here is my distribution list which I have created using PowerShell. You can see that. For deleting and modifying list, you can follow the post on the MailsDaddy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.